So the first thing you want to do is be sure that you're using a heavy-duty pipe system such as the one that I'm using here. This system that I'm using now is actually the Posh Premium Adjustable Kit, and it goes from 6 feet to 14 feet at its maximum height. Then you're going to apply all of your drape onto your backdrop kit, and I'm going to use a second crossbar because I am doing 2 layers. So once you have all of your drape on layer 1, now you're going to pick up your second crossbar as well as your crossbar hangers, and here I'm using the 3-inch hangers, and I'm going to attach my second crossbar to the backdrop stand. Now I'm going to thread my second layer, which I'm using green velvet.
Now, wasn't that easy peasy? You guys see me put that together in no time. Now, if you are a little advanced and you desire a taller kit like the one I just used, which goes all the way to 14 feet, you want to check out the links below so you can snag yours today.